Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to set up collections in your owner dashboard. Navigate to your dashboard and select Shop, then Manage Shop. Head to the tab called Collections and click Add Collection. Beginning in the Basic tab, fill out the details required, starting with the identifier which you fill in with the name of your collection. Next, in the Data tab, fill in the name of your collection and select Save Changes. Moving on, you can select which of your products you would like to feature in this collection in the Link tab. Now you can upload an image for the collection, which is what will be displayed on your Hire Shop page. Select your profile in the top right corner and click Home to go back to the website. Navigate through the website and find your Hire Shop page. You can view your collection on your Hire Shop on the website. Having collections can make it easier for buyers to find your equipment. You have now completed your collection setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.